Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Grandmacore aesthetic vintage home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Grandmacore aesthetic vintage home decor, also called Grandma Millennial or Granny Chic, is a cozy, nostalgic decorating style inspired by the warmth and charm of a grandmother's home, filled with vintage treasures, soft florals, handmade details, and collected memories. It celebrates comfort, sentiment, and timeless beauty of our modern minimalism. Why Grandmacore feels so special? People love Grandmacore because it feels comforting, beautiful, nostalgic, personal, warm, and welcoming. It creates a home that feels loved, gentle, timeless, a beauty antidote of fast modern life. Grandmacore aesthetic vintage home decor is many beautiful layers, especially if you love vintage cottage and antique farmhouse styles. It is not just a decorating style, it is about creating a home that feels comforting, nostalgic, and deeply personal, as if every object has its story. The feeling of Grandmacore. Grandmacore is about making your home feel warm and welcoming, a space where guests instantly feel comfortable, lived in and loved. Nothing should feel too perfect or staged. Sentimental and meaningful, decor often includes heirlooms, thrifted finds, or handmade pieces. Solo and peaceful, it encourages a slower, gentle way of living, reading, baking, sewing, and tea time. Think of the feeling of a soft quilt on a rainy day, fresh flowers on a wooden table, a shelf full of old books, a cozy lamp glowing in the evening, and tea served in vintage china. Signature Grandmacore decor details, layered, collected look. Grandmacore is not minimalist, it embraces beautiful abundance. Try layering, lace dollies under lamps or vases, stacked vintage books, multiple framed artwork on wall. Decorative trays with candles and teacups, baskets filled with blankets or dried flowers. The key is intentional coziness, not clutter. Handmade and craft-inspired pieces, handmade items that sold to the home. Use crocheted blankets, knitted cushions, embroidered napkins, or handmade pottery. Also use quilted wall hangings, needlepoint art. These details make the space feel deeply personal and nostalgic. Vintage display styling. Grandmacore loves displaying cherished objects beautifully. Ideas: hang decorative plates on the wall, display teacups in a glass cabinet, arrange old glass bottles on a windowsill. Style antique clocks and candle holders on mantles. Use old baskets for storage. The goal is to celebrate everyday beauty. Soft lighting, very important. Lighting creates the Grandmacore mood. Use warm table lamps with fabric shades. Use wall sconces, candlesticks, fairy lights in glass jars, and vintage candlelights. Average house bright white light to soft warm light for a cozy glow. Grandmacore room by room ideas. First, living room. Use floral sofa or slip-covered armchairs, layered jugs, wooden side tables, vintage books and framed photos, porcelain lamps, files stuffed over furniture. Bedroom. Use iron or wooden bed frame, floral bedding, ruffled pillows, lace curtains, antique vanity, and a small reading corner. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves with vintage dishes. Use floral tea towels, glass jars for pantry staples, copper pots, antique scales or bread boxes, fresh herbs and flowers. For bathrooms, even bathrooms can feel Grandmacore. Use floral wallpaper, vintage mirror, ceramic soap dishes, linen towels, clusters for cotton and bath salts. Grandmacore color palette. Beautiful soft colors include cream, warm ivory, dusty pink, sheath green, soft blue, lavender, battered yellow, or muted peach. These colors help everything feel calm and timeless. Styling tips. A perfect Grandmacore vignette might be a small wooden table, plus lace dolly, plus vintage lamp, a stack of old books, and floral teacup. Also fresh garden flowers. That tiny corner can instantly bring the Grandmacore feeling into your home. The philosophy of Grandmacore, beautiful everyday living. Grandmacore is not just about decorating, it is about bringing back the comfort of old-fashioned home life. It celebrates slowness over speed, comfort over perfection, sentimental treasures of a trendy decor, handmade beauty over mass product items, cozy routines like tea time, baking, journaling, and reading. Your home should feel like a place where a kettle is always ready for tea. Fresh flowers sit on the table, soft music plays quietly. Every room invites you to sit and stay a while. Grandmacore textures, the secret to cozy warmth. Textures is one of the most important parts of this style. Use soft and delicate textures. Use crocheted throws, lace runners, embroidered pillowcases, linen napkins, ruffled cotton curtains, and quilted bedding. Aged and natural textures. Balance softness with wooded wood, wicker baskets, ceramic pitchers, brass candle holders, tarnished silver trays, clusters, and crystal bowls. The mix of soft fabrics plus old books plus delicate antiques creates Grandmacore magic. Grandmacore decorative collection. This style loves small collections displayed beautifully. Grandmacore decorative collections. This style loves small collections displayed beautifully. Try collecting and styling. Use vintage china and teacups. Display floral teacups, mismatched saucers, antique sugar bowls, and decorative creamers. Open shelves or a glass cabinet work perfectly. Old books and journals. Use vintage novels, gardening books, recipe books, or leather journals. Stack them on tables or under lamps. Framed memories. Create warmth with family photos, botanical prints, vintage postcards, antique style gold frames. Gallery walls look wonderful in Grandmacore homes. Glass and porcelain treasures. Beautiful accents include milk glass, crystal vases, porcelain figurines, glass candy jars, and pressed glass bowls. These reflecting pieces catch soft light beautifully. Grandmacore seasonal decorating. One lovely part of Grandmacore is changing decor gently with the seasons. Spring with fresh tulips, floral linens, pastel colors, open window and sunlight. For summer, use garden flowers, light cotton curtains, wicker baskets, lemon or lavender accents. For autumn, use cozy quilts, candles, brass accents, dried flowers, warm amber tones. For winter, use heavier blankets, evergreen branches, vintage ornaments, warm lamps and tea corners. Grandmacore lifestyle corners. Instead of only decorating rooms, create little living moments. Tea corner, a tray with teapot, floral cups, sugar bowls, linen napkins, small vase of flowers. Reading nook. A comfy chair with soft blanket, window lamps, side table, a stack of books. Baking shelves display mixing bowls, wooden spoons, recipe cards, clusters of flour and sugar. These small corners make your home feel truly alive. Grandmacore plus cottage kitchen. A Grandmacore kitchen could include floral cafe things, open shelving with vintage dishes, wooden cutting boards on display, copper pots hanging on hooks, use lace shelf trim, ceramic canisters, fresh herbs in clay pots. A small framed recipe card on the wall, a checked or floral tablecloth. It should feel like a kitchen where bread is baking and stories are shared. Grandmacore is the art of creating a home that feels lovingly collected, softly owned, and full of comforting memories. It is timeless, gentle, and beautifully balanced with your love of vintage cottage and farmhouse decor. The heart of Grandmacore is that nothing feels newly bought all at once. Instead, your home should feel like it has been lovingly gathered over many years. How to create that feeling? Mix old and newer pieces together. An antique lamp on a newer side table. Use mismatched furniture that still feels harmonious. Display treasures objects instead of hiding everything away. Choose pieces with patina, like chipped paint or old faded fabric and tarnished brass. Tips: imperfection adds character. A slightly faded floral cushion can feel more Grandmacore than a perfect new one. Grandmacore patterns and prints. Patterns are essential, and layering them is part of the charm. Signature patterns, tiny florals on curtains, pillows, wallpaper, or bedding. Gingham or checks. Use tablecloth, kitchen towels, and cushions. Botanical prints, framed art or wallpaper, tile, classic countryside, census, printed on fabric. Embroidery motifs, use flowers, birds, and monograms. Pattern mixing tips, combine on floral print, on check or stripe, on subtle solid color. This keeps the room interesting without feeling chaotic. Grandmacore furniture styling, living room ideas, a sleep comfort sofa in cream or soft floral, wooden coffee table with stacked books, curved windows and chairs, a glass front cabinet for displaying collectibles, side tables with lace toilets. Bedroom ideas, use iron paint or curved wooden bed, floral quilt layered with crocheted throw, vintage vanity tray with perfume bottles, a small lamp with plated shelves. Entryway ideas, make even the entrance feel welcoming. Use antique console table, basket for umbrellas, framed botanical art, fresh flowers in a ceramic jug. Grandmacore materials. Certain materials instantly create the aesthetic. Natural materials. Use solid wood, wicker and rattan, cotton and linen, oak, ceramic and glass. Vintage metals, brass, copper, pitchware, aged silver. Avoid too much plastic or shiny modern finishes. Signature Grandmacore accessories. The smallest details often create the strongest Grandmacore feeling. Decorative accents, lace tiles under lamps, vases, or framed photos, porcelain figures on shelves or mantels. Pressed flowers art in antique frames, decorative plates hang on walls, vintage clock and mantel clocks. Glass candy jars filled with wrapped sweets, old recipe card in a pretty stand. These items add history, charm, and tenderness. Even storage should feel decorative. Lovely storage ideas: wicker baskets for blankets or magazines. Use clusters for pantry items. Paint stains for tea or sewing supplies. Wooden crates for books. Antique cabinets with clusters. Display useful items beautifully instead of filling everything. This style becomes even more special when paired with cozy habits, gentle rituals that match the aesthetic. Morning tea in a floral cup, arranging fresh flowers, baking bread or cookies, reading bedside a lamp, chatting in a journal, sewing or knitting, lighting candles in the evening. Grandmacore is about making ordinary moments feel precious. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.